You making the birdie fly? Oh, you kissed the birdie? That was nice.
Is that like the bird in Mary Poppins when she's singing Sugar? You know the bird in that song? Is that like Mary Poppins?
A robin feathering his... Yeah. That's how it goes, right? Uh-oh. How many times did you drop it, Michaela? How many times? There it is. Oh, Grandma's gonna pick it. All right, Mommy's gonna pick it up.